In my last video, I shared how I hated Upwork in the beginning, but then I tried it. After getting 10 leads within a month and earning over $1,000, I realized Upwork can really be a gem. In fact, I made a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do it too. But there is one thing which moved the needle for me: writing hyper-personalized proposals which gets you clients. Let me show how I do it. Before we get into it, let me share the logic behind it. So people on Upwork are hiring freelancers actively. Why? Because they are facing a problem that they want you to solve. And the good thing is that they mention all their pain points and problems in the job description. So now you know their pain points, and this is going to be your biggest weapon. Now you have to make sure that you write a proposal which shows them that yes, you can solve their pain points, and maybe attach results to give them confidence that yes, you have done this type of work before. For example, if I'm applying to a thumbnail design position where the client has asked that I need to have Photoshop skills, in that case, I even send them a video of me working on Photoshop to show them that yes, I have what you need. I mean, if you do that and if you show them that you have what they need, then why will they not pay attention to you? You also get the option to attach images with your proposal. So if you have screenshots of your results, then definitely attach it. For example, I often share results in my proposals and I write attached below, and then I attach the screenshot of the results below as a proof. Next comes the bidding system. So Upwork has a very interesting bidding system for their proposals. If you're finding this video valuable, hit on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more content like this. If you want your proposal to appear to the client on top position at first place, then you have to pay extra money to Upwork. I personally use it a lot because it increases the chances of my prospect seeing my application. Yes, I have to pay extra money for that, but if I get the client, then trust me, the return on investment will be much greater. I have also shared all about Upwork's credit system in my last video, so make sure to check it out. So that's all about framing great proposals on Upwork. And trust me, Upwork may not be the most beginner-friendly platform because you need to show them your portfolio, you need to show past work, good skills, and you also have to pay them to apply to a client. But if you have genuine skills, then you can find genuine clients as well who are ready to pay over $500 a month for few hours of work. If you want to get the full picture on how to get started on Upwork, including finding good clients and optimizing your profile, then make sure to watch my previous video.